GBPUSD's new swing low below the 1.30 level came from the sharp selling pressure below the dynamic 200 days SMA. Moreover, the 50 days EMA is above the price and heading lower, indicating that the potential death cross is still active. This technical analysis shows how the Ichimoku cloud shows a bearish sign, while the RSI is slightly bullish near the 50 neutral zone. The MACD histogram has also turned bullish above the zero areas, but the current price remains steady lower below the dynamic 50 EMA. Investors may experience a bearish continuation pattern in the GBPUSD price towards the 1.29 key support level based on the current structure. On the other hand, the bullish recovery might find momentum if a daily candle closes above the 1.317 level with buying pressure. Moreover, investors should closely monitor the UK CPI release, which might be a key price-driving event for this week.